So, hey guys, this is Rishika, and today is officially going to be my day one of taking coding seriously. I'm currently doing masters in computer science, first semester student, and मैंने BSc CS किया है, so coding का background तो है मेरा, but honestly I never felt confident in any programming language. But this time I want to build up my basics properly. And why I'm starting this, because I used to think that coding is very difficult. It can only be done using PC or laptop. But then I realized that any skill can be learned at any time, at any age, even by using simple devices. So, yeah, you just need to start. That's it. And right now, I'm coding completely using my mobile phone. I do not have any PC or laptop. Here I will share whatever I learn every day, every flaws, every difficulties. Not as a perfect teacher. I'm also a student who's learning step by step. And for this time, my main focus is Java, everything from the ground level. I'm not an expert and I don't want to pretend to be. I'm just someone who wants to improve daily. So, yeah, that's it. That's it for the video. एंड ये इंट्रो वीडियो था सो मैं बस इतना ही कहूँगी विश मी लक एंड या बाय बाय एंड राधे राधे